Okay, so now I am in a real birds forest. Look at all those birds. Let's catch only four birds. Alright, let's go. Oh, look at this beautiful parrot. Look at the pattern. Now we have to catch it. Got it. Oh, it bite me. Alright. So we have to keep him over here for a second. Okay, stay. Okay, now he's standing. I think he's not attacking me anymore. Alright, so let's catch more birds. Okay, so we are catching more birds. Ouch. Alright guys, there are mistakes in the video, but the video is coming along perfectly. Alright, let's continue with the puppet show. Now let's catch this bright green bird. Alright, we have to be gentle. Hello little bird. I will pick you up. Oh! Alright, it just let me catch him. Alright. So just be with your friend, okay? Be there, little buddy. I will catch the rest of your friends. Oh look, there is a whole family of ducks over there. There is some babies. They are so cute. One of them fell down. Let me help one of them. Okay, they are fine. Let's continue catching birds. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful cockatoo. Look at that. She's so beautiful. Alright. I got her. Alright. Oh, I guess he's sleeping. Alright. He's sleeping. Let's not trouble him. Alright. Let's just catch two more birds. Let's catch these duck family because they look pretty awesome. Alright, let's catch this duck. Sorry, little buddy. Yeah, he's a boy. Alright, it is a boy. Alright, there you go. He doesn't have so much good balance, but now I'm confused. Alright, I got you too. I think they are doing for their own safety. I think they are playing dead. Alright, now he's standing. Alright, he's healthy. Alright. Ouch. Hey, Mr. Penguin. Oh, hello, Darsh. I'm just catching birds. Look. Wow. But look who I brought. Whoa, new birds. Leave them here. We are in a journey too. Oh, you brought your old birds too? Yeah. But now where's the other one? Here, I'm coming. Wait a minute, I will sleep with my bird friends. Oh, look, now it's the same. Oh yeah, I like the same. Now I think you brought a female green budgie. That's what we needed to breed the budgies. Yeah, I bring it. If you don't find it, I bring it. Alright, now bye. Enjoying catching birds. That was so nice of Darsh to give me more birds. Look at them, they are so beautiful. Let me keep them here. Oh my god, now they are chirping. That's way better. Look. Alright, they need a rest. Alright, let's keep them here. Oops. Alright, so they will keep chirping. Meanwhile, let's catch the other birds. Got the mother. Let's catch more birds. Alright, so we are catching this eagle. Put it here. Great birds. Alright. Catch this one. Put it here. Now I'm finding more birds. Hello, little birds. Hello, you just look like me. Alright, little birds, I am coming. Okay. Looks like they are talking. Alright, let them talk. You see, Guys, you see what they are doing while I rest or sleep. Rest time is over. If you want to see me put these birds into their own home, so go in another video named Putting Birds in Cage. Putting new birds in cage. See that video where I put all the birds into the cages. Oh, actually, this is my favorite bird. These are my favorite birds, actually. Darsh gave us very nice birds. I liked it. He's making me so happy. Bye everyone. We will keep watching Darsh's new gift of birds. Hello.